new project.
She's wide.
Oh, she's wide. Oh, yes. Considering it's been out here all winter, it's not too bad. She's going to be an absolute ripper. And it's got an engine in the boat, look. It's got a stay in it, though. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a project.
Yeah, that's definitely a project.
Another one.
But it's a good project because we can just cut it to pieces and make what we want. It's all perspex. Ready to rock and roll. Put a rotor on the dollars. Just have a little look.
Yeah,
Shall we?
cool.
That's the end vision, isn't it?
Got one, yeah?
Another one. Oh, how naughty is that? That vision is complete, mate.
No, the vision is complete standing here. Got RS, KA. He's sitting there like a child. Woo! Man, that's going to be sick.
I think money's allergic to me. Do you know what I mean?
No, you're allergic to money.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that is fucking madness. That's going to look fucking bonkers!